iPhone 15 Pro's action button just got a whole lot more powerful. iOS 18 has brought up some most exciting updates during Apple's WWDC 2024 event. One of the biggest updates came into the iPhone 15 Pro's action button, making it more powerful and customizable than ever. With the new controls feature, you'll be able to access a wide range of functions with just a click. Whether you want to quickly toggle dark mode, scan a code, or access your wallet, the action button's got you covered. Previously, you could set the button to set off actions like silent mode, camera, and flashlight. But with the new controls feature now, you can access a range of functions, including calculator, stopwatch, alarm, home, wallet, timer, dark mode, scan code, personal hotspot, remote, tap to pay, accessibility features like magnifier and assistive touch, music controls for playback, volume, and more, camera modes like photo, video, and portrait, flashlight with adjustable brightness, notifications, and alerts with customizable settings. How does it work, you ask? To set up the new controls feature, simply go to the Settings app and configure the action button. You'll see a new option labeled Controls. Select it and choose the function you want to trigger. You can also customize the long press and double press actions to access even more functions. The new controls feature offers a range of benefits, including quick access to frequently used functions, customization options to suit your needs, integration with third-party apps for added functionality, easy access to Wallet and Apple Pay, quick toggling of dark mode, and other settings. Here's some tips and tricks. Use the action button to quickly access your wallet for Apple Pay. Customize the long press action to trigger your favorite music playlist. Use the double press action to quickly toggle dark mode. Access your camera modes with a single click. And use the flashlight with adjustable brightness for added convenience.